Within Transact POS, along the left-hand side, you'll find various buttons, as we've seen before. Let's go to Accounts Receivable. We click on that AR button. We come to the secondary menu of Accounts Receivable. Let's go into the customer file. We'll explore that a little bit, and then we're going to look at payment process, and then after that, apply credits, reprinting invoices, finance charges, print statements. So we'll learn a bit more through a couple of different sessions here. So inside the customer file, again, you'll be prompted with an appropriate username and password if set up that way. I select one and then enter in my case. We come to the Find Customer screen. This particular setup on this installation is set up that if I put in to the search for value, let's put in green just to see what we get, and press enter, it's going to find several items. And some, as if you look at it, it says that doesn't really make much sense. The setting that this is set up on right now is drilling into not just the last name, first name, company, and address, but also contacts underneath this particular site, etc. So some will be Dave Greenhouse, picking up the Green there, Greenfield, Green and Son, etc. So if we go on into the agricultural customer, we're looking for green here somewhere. We don't see that. It's not apparent to me up front. If we go all the way over to customers, it's looking and finding the green last name for John Green. So this particular lookup feature, as it's set right now, will drill into any variety of lookups for that particular customer. If you want to cite a specific lookup, you know that that last name is Green, you would select F2 Green as the last name, because inside last name is Green, etc. So when you come into the Find Customer screen, depending on how your system is set up, this is using an F function, F4 function, I believe it is. Whatever you put into the search for, and if you just press enter, it's going to find that value in a variety of different spots. If you know a specific value that you're trying to match, put green in and last name or the first name, because you can look up by customer ID, company name, frequent buyer club number, etc. So that's a quick primer on how to find customers.